If you run a trash can cleaning service, watch this video to learn how to overcome barriers that stop your business from going to the next level. They lose customers because even after paying $25 or more for a bin cleaning, they quickly get dirty and begin to stink again. Customers expect and want their bins to stay clean for as long as possible. But when washing only provides a temporary solution, it leads to dissatisfaction, frustration, cancellations, lost repeat business, and referrals. And with BagEZ, you now have a simple, effective solution that gives your clients what they really want. An easy, low-cost system to keep their bins clean for longer, that helps them recycle better and supports the waste management system that helps the environment. It provides them with a hassle-free way to make the freshness last, and stops the cycle of disappointment, keeps customers happy, builds loyalty, and helps grow a stronger, stable business. For more info, visit bagez.com or call us. We'd love to answer questions and help you grow.